Hello, my name is Edward St. James, and I'm a student at the Dakota State University. And tonight, I'm going to be doing my third and final exploit on the war FTP. And what I'm going to be doing, as you know, I like to add users, but I'm gonna vary it. I'm not gonna do the exact same thing. Well, I'm gonna do it, but I'm gonna vary the procedure. So my goal is to add a user by the name hacker, and let's see how I'm gonna get it done. Basically, I created 3 versions of it as I was working and testing. This is the one I'm gonna be utilizing. Simple fuzzer, display. See, it's almost the same as the last one. You know, the code just varies a little bit. Not significant changes except for the port. IP address is the same. Username and password I use different ones, and even the same jump.esp code that still works. So not a lot of changes. Just having to be consistent with it. Okay, so I'm gonna lower it because I closed. Oh well. First of all, I need to get started. Let's see. Okay, so basically, I'll clear it up. Basically, we're going to go here, cd, pentest exploits, framework 2, and then there's different parameters. There's different programs, and this is the MSF web, which is Metasploit framework, but graphical user interface. That's really, I know that's really script kiddie like, but I wanted to vary it. I didn't want to do the same thing. There it is, and this is the IP address in which I'm gonna be connecting to, along with the port 55s. You know, that's really original, right? So I go to the Mozilla Firefox, copy it and paste it. Yeah, I've already done it, so of course it's gonna be there. But alright, of course I have to test it. The payloads are gonna be these ones. Let's see, Windows operating system 32-bit. Filter the modules, and I love adding users, so this is what I'm gonna be doing. This one right here, and basically it's not an SEH, it's a process, and I'm gonna be calling this guy. His password is gonna be hacker, and his name is gonna be Johnny. I've done it before and it worked. Let's see, and as far as this, I didn't have to mess with this. I left it alone and it worked. So if it ain't broke, I ain't gonna fix it. And I use alphanumeric, generate payload. And this is the payload that it has given me, right? But I mean the GUI is so easy to use. I mean, why would we not be using it? I mean, just saying, you know, it's I mean, sometimes we feel like being script kiddie like, but this time I wanna show that there's a variation to it. You know, no command line is great or whatever, but I just wanna show that there's an alternative to it for those who are even more of beginners. So there it is. Now I have to start the process. My computer wants to restart, but of course I'm not gonna let it do that. Let's see, here it is, Ollie, and then open it, and it does that. It doesn't prevent it from running, it doesn't prevent it from accomplishing what it's supposed to. Then when I click this, it has to be done again a couple of times, and then again because it's offline. So if I let it be offline, it's not gonna connect. There it is. Go back to my backtrack machine. And then at this point, this is on the desktop and fuzzers folder. This time I can run it. There it is. You stop the process. Then I can go to control panel. Zero accounts. Sure enough, here's Johnny.